Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday and we are going camping this weekend. So I need to get the kids packed. I need to get Gage and I packed, and we did all of our food shopping yesterday, but they didn't have the pancake biscuit shaker, the easy kind. And so I'm gonna have to run to Target later. I just figured we'd just do that when Gage gets home because I still need to pack and get everything ready here. Plus I still need to edit and get today's vlog up, and so by the time I'm done doing everything, it'll be time for him to be home anyways. And we also need to go to my parents and load up the camper, so I don't want to be driving back and forth. It's just easier to hit up Target than hit up my parents. So that is what this vlog's gonna be, packing and getting ready for camping. I'm doing the worst thing ever. What are we doing, babe?
Dumping out Oreos.
We're dumping out Oreos. We went above and beyond and bought way too many Oreos.
We ate Oreos all the time. I mean, it was 10 at a time, no problem. So we kept buying them and buying them. Well, then I ended up wanting to fill it, and then we just kind of stopped.
Yeah, we haven't had Oreos in a long time, and now they're stale. So we're gonna dump them out, but don't you worry. Because yesterday when we got camping food, Gage picked up more Oreos. So I'm trying to... What? What? What?
That blue shit. That blue shit just melted my fucking hand. It hurts so fucking bad. I've never been... Even when I got my 3rd-degree burns, or 2nd-degree burns, whatever the fuck it was, dude, I just sat there in shock.
Gage was making a Pop-Tart. Don't mind his dirty hands, by the way. That's what working in the dirt does. Anyways, yep. He was making a Pop-Tart, and what happened? You touched...
I touched the frosting or something that was melted. I don't know. Burnt the living...
Shit.
Burnt the living hell out of my finger, alright? It hurt so bad. Yeah, I think it's dying down now, but... Jeez.
That little frosting hurt more than when you had a burn on your...
My hand from the fryer oil at 375 degrees? Yeah.
Wow.
See that? I was just in shock. I was just staring at it, and this was a straight pain.
You okay?
Yeah, I am.
Well, the cookie jar is full, not as full. See what happened before? Gage wanted this entire thing filled, but we gotta keep it just like that. Here you go. You know, put it back up. We keep our cookies up there, otherwise the kids climb on the counter and eat way too many cookies. So, you gonna eat that Pop-Tart now?
Yeah, that stuff right there. That's where I touched.
Doing a really cool montage. Sorry about the yellow lighting. Really cool montage with...
Hey.
How'd you do that? Planning on doing a really cool montage with the packing, but we realized Grizzly has an appointment today for his 2nd round of shots. My phone rings all the time when I'm trying to vlog. So Grizzly has his 2nd round of shots today, and I could do a really cool montage or whatever, but I just walked into the boys' room and the curtain is down. I don't know why. What happened? You fell on your curtain?
Yeah, Noah.
Noah Logan. For real? Stop. It's not funny. That's not funny at all. We are going to get Grizzly to his appointment, and then we are going to go load stuff up into the camper. We're not going to put our suitcases in there tonight, just because we're not finished packing, but we have the main stuff that we want to go into the camper. Yeah, I'm wearing Ariel into the car. So, that's what we're gonna go do, and then we'll just bring the rest of the stuff in the back of our car. Have fun. Bye, Grizzly. So we were just waiting for Gage and Grizzly, and while we were waiting, the kids and I went to my sister's house, and we had to pick up a blue extension cord. And now we are waiting until they are done and Grizzly Bear's appointment. I'm excited to see how much he weighs because he's getting big. He's a big dude. So we'll just have to see.
I can't stop.
You think we're camping at Grandma and Grandpa's?
Yeah.
No. What? No.
Yeah.
No. We're just here to set up, silly goose. Silly goose. Not here. No.
Your driveway was flooded. Your driveway was flooded.
The driveway was flooded. Okay, we are now at Target, and Gage wanted to go into the As Seen on TV aisle. And what did you want? The non-stick pans.
Yeah, one of these, but I'd like this one too, because you can make like a skillet of somehow.
Gage convinced me to get Starbucks.
Yes, I did.
The
I think it was the other way around, but
the kids are enjoying an egg sandwich. Is it good? Yep. Noah looks at Gage and goes, "We need this. It's a dirt bike. You need a dirt bike?"
I like how he
What?
looks at me to do it too.
I know, right?
We need this.
Dad, we need this. You know you'll say yes. You need a dirt bike?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
You gotta learn to ride your
Ride
bike
it?
first.
You gotta ride your bike. Then I'll get your dirt bike, okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I walk away for 2 seconds and you guys have 2 big cars in the cart?
Yeah. Right here.
Yeah.
Right here?
and right here.
Really?
Yeah.
I found.
Bonnie?
They're on clearance. So which one do you want?
I want.
Do you want BJ or Baby Bop?
Oh, you can get this one.
You want BJ?
Yeah.
Okay, they're on clearance, so you can have that, okay? But we only get one, and I don't think we're getting both cars because that's expensive. Hey, don't you want BJ?
We'll get them.
Do you have it? Isn't that a weird name?
BJ?
BJ. Not a weird name, but kind of a...
Hi, BJ.
Coffee, please.
Can I have a BJ?
Tom.
All right, we'll get these two. We'll get the Python. And we'll get
No, Gage, that's way too expensive.
fine. We'll just get the
We gotta grab all of them. No, we only need like 4. This is what we came here for, was these Bisquick shake and pour. All right. These are perfect for camping, and for some reason Walmart does not sell these. What kind of noise are you doing? What?
This pancake.
Yes, get your dirty little grubby feet off of there. Yeah, for some reason Walmart does not sell those, so it was very frustrating when we went there.
Look,
and I
Jolly
didn't have
Rancher
them.
Pop-Tarts.
Why, you wanna burn your hand again?
No.
Excuse you. What do you think you're doing? Whoa, you be careful. You be careful. We're all done at Target and it's still light outside, which means we are doing pretty good.
All right, so we have an update on Grizzly. He is 19 pounds, doing great, looks good, healthy still. He had a second dose of shots.
Peed on the floor.
Yes, he did. He peed on the floor while we were in there, getting ready to leave. You know, she's just finishing up talking, and he was kind of barking, and I figured he just wanted another treat because that's what they were doing. And then he decided to squat and take a piss. So fun that was. Yeah, he's doing great.
Okay, yes. I know I do way too many Target hauls, but this isn't really a haul. I just kind of want to show you what we found in the Target dollar spot. At my Target, they started changing everything out, and I'm guessing it's to get ready for like back to school. And so they had so many, Grizzly's like running behind me. They had so many good things. I wanted to buy everything, but I didn't. And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you, definitely go check out your Target dollar spot because I know a lot of this stuff is gonna go quick. And that's why I did get a lot of this stuff now, because my Target, everything always goes quick and I can never, ever find it again. So, the first thing that we got is this nice chalkboard. It is actually, it is pretty good. It's just the first day of like, you know, board, and then on the back it's just the last day. This was $5. Yeah, it is good quality, buddy. And so I had to get this. I knew this was gonna go quick, and I knew this wouldn't be at my Target very long. The next thing I got was this word building board. I got this for mostly Maya, but Weston and Noah as well. We're really trying to work with her on everything. As you guys know, she is doing 1 more year preschool, not going to kindergarten. And so we're really trying to work with her on her letters, her words, her sounds, like pretty much everything. So this was $3 from the Target spot. And then on the back is all your letters, marker. The next thing that we got, sorry it is so loud, is this ABC alphabet puzzle. and like a little snake, perfect for all the kids. Gage found this. I thought this was really cool. It is finger crayons. This was also $3. How fun is that? Noah's pulling stuff out. We got some children's Benadryl. I actually need to call Maya's doctor and see what the correct dose is on this, but she swells up pretty bad from mosquito bites, and so her whole arm is like chewed, her legs, everything. Okay, next thing that we got is these wipe away books. This is the ABC one. Comes with the marker, $3. And then we got, I got 2 ABC ones. I could have sworn I got the other one. Oh man. Well, apparently I bought 2 ABC ones. I thought they were different. Apparently not. Oh, it's not worth the $3 to return it. Some makeup, clearly not from the dollar section. This John Frieda Beach Blonde sea salt spray for my hair because my hair is a little bit naturally wavy. We got this felt playset dinosaurs.
And we got this lip gloss.
This is concealer, not lip gloss, honey. This is new. I've never seen this brand before. It is Makeup Melt Bliss. Makeup Melt Bliss Makeup Remover Wipes. We got some hydrocortisone cream for the mosquito bites. I thought this was cute too, just a little thing to go on my fridge. It says farm to table. And then I got a makeup brush. And that's pretty much, that's not everything we got from Target, but the stuff that I wanted to show you. So that is our Target haul. And I'm gonna go put the kiddos to bed. Guys, we are going to end today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below and go follow us on our Instagram page. We post a lot of pictures on there, and you can stay updated on what we're doing. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll talk to you in our next video.
Bye-bye. Set out on a road that I built with my own 2 hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto paths.